Hello dear children of class 7. Today we will learn chapter 7 from your English course book. Theme: where the mind is without fear. So students, listen to carefully. This poem has written by Rabindranath Tagore, is one of his vastly read and discussed poem. So look at the whiteboard and listen to carefully. Where is the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free. Student, in first line, the poet pray to the Almighty that his countrymen should be free from any fear of apprehension or forced compulsion. His wishes that everyone in his country has his head held high in dignity. In other words, according to him, in a truly free country, every person should be fearless and should have a sense of self-dignity. Student, second line, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls. Student, in the second line of where the mind is without fear, dreams of a nation where knowledge would be free. Education should not be restricted to the upper class only, but everybody should be allowed to acquire knowledge. Not only that, the children should learn fairly from the nature and the world around them. They should not be memorize some patronage lessons. Student, where world? Student, where world come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretched its arm toward perfection. The poet emphasizing the unity of the not only of his countrymen but also of the entire world. He thinks there should be not be division among people based on their caste, creed, colors, religions, or these baseless superstitions. In other words, prejudice superstition should not be divide the people in group and break their unity. Student, where the clear stream of the region has not lost its way into the dearly desert sand of dead habit. Student, in fifth line, where the mind is without fear, Tagore wants a nation where people are truthful. They should not be superficial and words should come out from the depth of their hearts. In sixth line, you heard where the clear stream of the region has not lost its way into the dirty desert sand of the dead habit. Student, in sixth line of the poem, the poet wants everyone work hard to reach their goal and in the long run to reach perfection. He thinks that should not be tired of working. People should not be lazy and ignoring their work. Student, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever bending thought and action. Student, the poet comparison region of the logical thinking to a clear stream and in the next line compressed dead habit or the superstition belief to a dirty desert. He wants that the stream of the region not lost its way into the desert of the prejudice. In short, people thought should be mentioned by the rational thinking, not by superstition logic should rule over old bracelet belief. In lines 9th, the poet wishes him countrymen to be progressive and the broad-minded. He wants that their mind are led forward to ever-building thought and action by Almighty God. Student, next line and final. Into that heaven of the freedom, my father led my country awake. In the final line of the poem, the poet addressed the God as Father. He asked him to awaken his country into such a heaven of freedom where the above condition meet. Student, it's a story summary, poem summary. You must read this chapter with meaningful and do exercise. Okay, thank you.